everybody had some great suggestions on how to deal with the pulley situation that I was having, so I've decided to go with the double set screw method. I'm gonna drill a set screw 180 degrees from the original set screw. We're going to drill all the way through the pulley, and we're going to drill and tap for a new set screw, and we will see how that turns out here in just a minute. Alrighty guys, so I've got my pilot hole drilled. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep stepping it up until I get to the size hole that I need to tap the new grub screw or set screw. So that looks pretty good. Got it pretty centered, just a smidge off. I mean, for an eyeball job and not setting it up, you know, with levels or nothing, I think I did pretty good. Alrighty, so the correct drill bit for a 5/16 18 grub screw is going to be a letter F drill bit. So I've got my tap chucked up in my drill press, and I'm just going to start it by hand. Man, it's windy today. Just back it out, clear the chips, and once you get it started, then we can finish it by hand. I'm just doing this to make sure I get it straight. Guys, if you've never used a tap or a die, and what you want to do, I'm going to show you, is that you want to keep this thing lubricated, and you want to keep your chips blown out of your flutes of your tap, because what's happening is it'll get tight. Don't force it. When it gets tight, back it off and blow your chips out. Be sure to have some of these on too. Because if you break that tap off into what you're tapping, it's a bad day. So just inch it around a little bit at a time and break your chips loose. Once you make it all the way through your workpiece, you should just be able to spin it by hand, and then we can remove it. Blow out your chips. Have a good rest of y'all's day, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Mower Medic 1.